The impact of disruption on business. This is the topic that I want to discuss today, as this phenomenon is reshaping the very fabric of our industries. Disruption, driven by technology, innovation, and shifting consumer demands, is not just a buzzword, it's a reality. As Willie Peterson insightfully noted, corporate executives consistently cite disruption as their primary challenge. But what does this really mean for us? Consider the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, big data, and cloud computing. These technologies are revolutionizing how businesses operate and compete. Take Amazon, for example. They have no unique products, yet their unmatched efficiency in delivering quality, speed, and convenience has made them a retail giant. This is the power of leveraging new technologies to create unparalleled customer value. Disruption forces us to rethink our strategies continuously. It's not enough to have a static business model. As Ari de Gius articulated in The Living Company, our sustainable competitive advantage lies in our ability to learn and adapt faster than our competitors. We must build organizations that thrive on perpetual learning and renewal to stay ahead. Let's look at Hallmark cards. Their core value isn't just in selling cards but in helping people connect and express their feelings. This customer-centric approach has kept them relevant even as digital communication grows. It's a poignant reminder that understanding and adapting to customer needs is crucial. Differentiation and simplicity are also key in a disruptive world. Google's success in organizing the world's information better than anyone else highlights how doing something materially better provides a compelling reason for customers to choose you. Simplifying complexities, as Marco Pierre White says, prevents confusion, inconsistency, and ultimately, failure. Finally, leaders must communicate compelling stories that resonate on an emotional level. Bill Clinton's moon rock story in the Oval Office is a perfect example of using symbolism to foster collaboration and focus. Leadership narratives create meaning, and in times of disruption, they guide and inspire teams through uncertainty. Disruption is both a threat and an opportunity. By embracing continuous learning, staying customer-focused, differentiating ourselves, simplifying complexities, and telling compelling stories, we can turn disruption into a catalyst for long-term success. Thank you. If you like our videos, then please like them and subscribe to our channel.